This has actually been in there for a few months. I really wasn't sure what to do with it. Because it's such heavy gauge metal, I thought it would make a good tool stand. I already have two, and those are on casters. So instead, I'm going to turn it into a barbecue stand. There is a bit of rust, but it's mostly surface rust. There's really no pitting or anything, so it's not that bad. Yeah, I really don't want to spend too much on this. So I'm just going to try to use what I have lying around. First thing I want to do is paint it. So I guess I'll disassemble it first and start sanding. He gave up. He went swimming this weekend on Lake Winnipeg, in fact. I'm just going to use my random orbital sander, sanding block, eraser. It's 100 grit. So I released him, he's on the wire. I think he's all right. I think he's coming back. Pretty good match. I don't have many options for the top, so I'm gonna go with this. Not the best choice for sure. This is an old door, or half of a door. The other half is a worktop in a closet office makeover. I'll make it work. Particle core, and definitely have to protect it from the weather. So to trim it to size, I'm going to use my homemade track saw, circular saw guide. This makes cutting pretty straightforward. You don't have to account for your base plate and the measurement. Just line it up like so. And I want to, hopefully this is going to reach base. Do it on the table saw. And the only thing I've got to do is add trim to these two edges. We'll do the rest inside. Much easier on the bench. The good thing with these clamps is you can put two of them together. Yeah. That way I can get away with having less clamps. Outdoor glue. This will absorb a lot. It's pretty porous, so. Okay, now I can trim them with my flush cut saw. Yeah, might be time for a new saw. A lot of glue residue stuck in the teeth. Okay, I can give it a light sanding now and figure out a finish. If you watch any of my videos, you'll know I use a lot of black. And since it's pretty much the only outdoor finish I have at the moment, that's what I'm going with. Okay, let's put this thing together. Okay. Two and a smidge. Two and a smidge. So I'm really fortunate the previous owner left a whole bunch of mounting holes. And most of them are in a pretty good spot. Not perfect, but I'm just going to use them. No point in drilling extra holes. 1 1/4 screws. Self-tapping. He's hiding today. 10, 11. Ugh. Yeah, it's heavy. I mean, it's something. Should fit. I'm not sure how much it looks like a barbecue stand. Might need one more thing. Should be tight. Smoking.